From the spring to the fall of the year 2017, members of Improv Revolution faced their greatest obstacle on the road to graduation. Not all of them survived the trip. Any mention of the events was covered up by the government to hide the gruesome details. This is what they never wanted you to hear.
We had gotten to the most hostile terrain within our journey. Irvine, California, oh God. None of us thought we were gonna make it, and then I just remember smelling something that smelled so good. We didn't realize it, what Laurel had made us, until we noticed Marco wasn't there anymore. Then Rochelle. And then Matt. Sweet, sweet Matt. He did nothing wrong. Why, Matt? Oh God, why?